Sir, din po kaya na you will be testifying for next week?
Wala naman, kasi yung pag-testify ko, nung pre-trial pa lang, alam na, alam na namin yun. So, it's expected. So, wala namang akong problema doon. Kaya nga, I think the presiding officer did not even see the need to issue a subpoena. So, alam naman nating darating tayo dyan. Yeah, because I already said my piece during the Committee on Good Government, no? And basically, it will just be a repetition.
Attorney, kanina, nabanggit nga yung sinabi yung statement ni VP. And of course, di pa siya covered, ano? Kasi
Prospective kasi.
Di naman active yun eh. Pero pinapasabihan siya ni presiding officer. Of course, i-relay niyo sa kanya yan.
I will relay what the presiding officer mentioned earlier today, and then tingnan na lang natin kung ano yung maging usapan namin ukol dyan. Hindi ko pa I don't want to preempt kung ano yung sasabihin niya sa akin.
Apologies, sir. Pero kanina po, the prosecution said they're modeling the possibility of raising yung exceptions doon sa sub judice rule, especially the ABS-CBN versus Sactapuan case, yung
Fair commentary.
fair commentaries po. Mag-o-oppose po ba then in case i-raise yun ng prosecution?
Wala, we'll just, sa akin, I don't see any reason to oppose at this point. Of course, I'm speaking for myself as a spokesperson, no? I need to discuss this also with the rest of the team. So, ano muna, no? Ayoko muna magbigay ng categorical na sagot. But just to give you a quick answer, sa atin naman, if that is raised by the prosecution, we will just wait for the ruling of the court and we will just comply kung magkaroon naman ng pagbabago o wala.
Sir, realistically, knowing VP Sara, makakapag-comply kaya siya na magsalita regarding sa impeachment trial niya?
Well, pag-usapan namin, ma'am, itong mga bagay na to ay kasi actually first time naman talaga nagkaroon tayo ng full-blown impeachment trial concerning her. So pag-usapan muna namin, I cannot say kung realistically or what. I don't want to speculate. So I'll just have a talk with her. I'll discuss everything with her. And then tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging reaction niya.
Pero pagdating dun sa mga statement, do you think sunod naman si VP dahil for statement naman yan, hindi naman ambush interview?
Hindi ko masabi. Hindi ko masabi sa ngayon. But syempre, lahat naman tayo gusto mag-comply kung ano man yung naaayon sa batas and sa rules. So it's just a matter of really, defining what is really sub judice or not, diba?